Are you stuck with the Microsoft Foundation class Managed 140 Unicode Library DLL missing error? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to help you fix this crash right now. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Microsoft Foundation class Managed 140 Unicode Library, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This is the Microsoft Foundation class Managed 140 Unicode Library, the Managed MFC runtime used by modern Visual Studio builds 2015-2022, providing interoperability between managed and native UI layers. It supports hybrid .NET and C++ desktop applications. If missing, affected programs may fail with errors like 0.org C7b or side-by-side configuration failures due to unresolved runtime bindings. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. The standard manual fix is a full reinstallation of Visual C Runtime Stack. Grab the latest x86 and x64 Visual C installers from the Microsoft website and run them to restore the missing dependency. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Microsoft Foundation class Managed 140 Unicode Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of Microsoft Foundation class Managed 140 Unicode Library DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If your system struggles with its current configuration, the repair utility below provides background information on Microsoft Foundation class Managed 140 Unicode Library. If your workstation is back online and Microsoft Foundation class Managed 140 Unicode Library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.